Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about, can money buy happiness? Here's what science says. Does more money make you happier? The answer is yes, but it's complicated. While money can't replace the joy from relationships and experiences, it does affect well-being. 1. Why money seems to buy happiness. Happiness is usually linked to friends, family, and simple pleasures, not money. But financial security can reduce stress, especially when you're not dealing with poverty. It's not that people with less money can't be happy, but financial struggles make it harder. Many societies equate financial success with a good life, but money alone doesn't guarantee happiness. 2. Money and happiness, what's the connection? Money doesn't directly bring happiness, but research shows that financial security boosts life satisfaction. Higher income can ease emotional pain and stress, especially in unstable societies. Recent studies even connect higher income to increased happiness. 3. Limitations of money in achieving happiness. It's tempting to think a bigger paycheck will lead to a better life, but relying on money for happiness can backfire. Chasing financial rewards at the cost of relationships or well-being often does more harm than good. Emotional health thrives on strong connections, and money can't replace meaningful relationships. 4. The role of money in different aspects of life. Financial security reduces anxiety by covering life's necessities and improving quality of life. When you're not stressed about money, you can focus on what makes you happy, like hobbies and relationships. While money isn't a direct source of happiness, the peace of mind it provides helps mental health flourish. 5. Finding happiness beyond money. Financial security can ease stress, but true happiness comes from non-material things. Building strong relationships, finding purpose, practicing gratitude, and self-care are all proven ways to boost happiness. Activities like volunteering, spending time in nature, and helping others bring fulfillment. So yes, money can contribute to happiness, but it's not the only way to a fulfilling life. By focusing on relationships, meaningful goals, and self-care, you can create a happier life. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.